Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to you, depending on where you are watching us from. In case you're not in court yesterday, 30th May 2023, a lot of us were carried away by the news of the fuel subsidy removal, and we forgot yesterday was tribunal sitting. And you need to note an interesting thing that happened in the tribunal yesterday. The tribunal admits U.S. forfeiture order on $460,000 by Tinubu over drug offenses. Yes. Yeah, let's get to that. So the Presidential Election Petition Court has admitted in evidence a United States of America, USA District Court judgment. And this judgment reportedly indicted President, he's now President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. And it was said he was ordered to forfeit $460,000 in drug-related offenses. Let's be hopeful that something will come out. Some people are worried about what transpired the other day. PDP went to court to sue Shettima, to stop Tinubu's inauguration because of Shettima's double nomination. And I realized later that it wasn't necessary for them to take that to the Supreme Court, and the matter is being discussed already at the tribunal. So, does that make us hopeful that something will come out from this court? What do you think? I don't want to talk about prophecies, but there are a lot of, people making certain predictions out there that before within 6 months, the court will sack Tinubu. What do you think? A court that is a court that failed to pass judgment on certain matters that does not need evidence even before the inauguration, like the case of double nomination, that of not getting 25% in Abuja. If the court really wants to work, they should have ruled on that. They don't need evidence on that. They just, I don't know whether they are waiting for the councils to various parties to prove that it has to 25% or has to be gotten in Abuja for someone. It's so clear that the judges need nobody to pass judgment on that. Meanwhile, based on what we had, the certified true copy of the judgment was tendered by the witness, Barrister Lawrence Uchechukwu Nnanna Nwakaeti, during the hearing of the petition filed by presidential candidate of the Labour Party, LP, Mr. Peter Gregory Obi, against the election of Tinubu. And again, there is one thing to note in court yesterday. I think it's for the first time that he was also present. And they were both together at the inauguration of Abia State new governor, Oti. And it's like Dati is now in town. He traveled to UK. I think he's now in town. And there is less fear. Tinubu is already president. And, perhaps that has been the, trying to stop him has been the fear. So back to what happened in the court. The witness, led in evidence by Mr. Jibrin Okutepa, a senior advocate of Nigeria, SAN, tendered the court's judgment as part of request by P2B and Labour Party to get Tinubu's declaration as winner of the February 25th, 2023 presidential election nullified and set aside. And of course, you expect Tinubu's counsel to react. This is like witness time in the courts. You expect them to react. They will, cross-examine the guy. So Tinubu and All Progressive Congress, SPC, announced that they have objections against the admission of the judgment, but reserve the objection to final address stage. So under cross-examination, the witness admitted that the judgment was not registered in Nigeria. And let me ask, must it be registered in Nigeria for it to be relevant, or for it to make sense, or for it to be used against Tinubu in the court? So he admitted that there was no certificate from any consular in Nigeria or America in support of the judgment, but insisted that the judgment speaks for itself. So he claimed to have been to the United States of America and read the judgment in its entirety, adding that he would be surprised if no mention was made of the $460,000 forfeiture. That's a big money. And also, under cross-examination by counsel to APC, Prince Lateef Fagbemi, SAN, the witness said that the American court judgment has no certificate given under the hand of any American police officer. This is what we call Okune Sakoko. You know, you need to, if you stand at the witness box, you understand what it means. You need to prove your case properly. So during the cross-examination, they are telling him that there's no certificate given under the hand of any American police officer. So if you have any evidence against anyone, you need to prove it. Of course, he already knew the cross-examination will come. There are many traps by P2B's legal team. If you jump this stud, can you jump the other? Just like police checkpoints in Southeast. Numerous of them. If you cross this one, you may not be able to cross the other one. So the witness denied knowledge of a February 4, 2023 formal clearance report by legal attaché from American Embassy in respect of the alleged indictment and forfeiture. When asked by Fagbemi SAN to produce a copy of the charges against Tinubu, the witness admitted not having any, but maintained that the indictment and forfeiture were from civil proceedings. Meanwhile, the presiding justice of the court, Justice Haruna Simon Samani, has shifted further hearing in the petition till May 31st, 2023. That is today. Yes, today. So the sitting continues. They are expected to deliver result within 6 months. As in judgment, I mean, they are expected to deliver judgment within 6 months. I hope that will happen, and whoever is not satisfied with the judgment will proceed to the Supreme Court. May God help Nigeria. There should be a revolution in the legal side of this government. We are hoping to see a time whereby the executive does not dictate for the judiciary. Yes. The judiciary will be independent, no influence from the executive, doing things rightly. Until then, this country is yet to grow. So that is what transpired in the courts. There was a witness regards Tinubu's $460,000 forfeiture based on drug offenses. We will continue to bring you updates regards the tribunal sittings. Please stay tuned. I am Azoka Uzo OJ. Don't fail, please, to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram for more updates. Bye-bye for now.